Hello, everyone. When you ride the subway or bus, you must wear a mask that covers your mouth and nose for the entire trip. Please do your part to keep New York healthy. See MTA.info to learn more. Stay safe and thank you for riding with us. This is Grand Central, 42nd Street.
Transfer is available to the 4, 5, and 6 trains. Transfer is available to the shuttle to Times Square. Connection is available to Metro North.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.
This is a 34th Street Hudson Yards bound 7 train. The next stop is 5th Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is 5th Avenue.
Transfer is available to the D and F trains.
This is a 34th Street Hudson Yards bound 7 train. The next stop is Times Square, 42nd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Times Square, 42nd Street.
Transfer is available to the 1, 2, 3, A, C, E, N, Q, and R trains. Transfer is available to the shuttle to Grand Central. Connection is available to the Port Authority Bus Terminal.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.